Blay phi baru akini gilongi kubor bam takasngi. Ha Ïingdorbar mang tingka junga Ïingdorbar thawan ka jila u MLA ka Mawryngkneng ba Havingstone kharpran ula wanrah biang sa Sien ya kamat ka baula ya kren hadu lai Sien halor ka Surok ka bajrong kumba hrus pa mita hamau shibun East Castle District. Ha gajing kren uba kharpran ula kali usumbut menteri rangba but menteri bakmi ya katanat PWD roads ba Preston tensong ban pensyai halor ka jinglong jingman jong ka te ka Surok ka badan hapdeng Happy Valley bat mau shibun. UMLA ulo ang baga jing ka bami na ka te ka binta jong ka Surong kalak ta juri ya kalit ka wan jong ginong syong shnong bat kalong ka badan kam ban penben nyok loy. UMLA ka nong prem ba Arden mala basa yongwan ula penbut jing pren da ka ba ong ba ka jing pair jing mut hapdeng ki bor shipai defense bat kishnong ka de ka daw jong ka jing Ula keno bagi shnong ki kam baka ka benta jung ka Surong kadi ka jaka shnong hendai ki board defense ki kam baka hap hapo ka jaka jongki. Ula pun pauru baha ka rukam ri khasi traditional land system bunsin omjudan ki kot kisla ki bapura namar ka hok khendo ka julong kat kum ka rukam tenrai. Ha ka jubab uba Preston ten song loong bakat kum ki kot kisla ki badan minta katei ka hendrus pa mita ka hap hapo ka jaka defense hendrai ula pentip bala pelong jingelang dang shen hapdeng ki officer ka defense kentup yu GOC berki officer sorkar jela ban penbet ya kene kaman. Menteri loong baka defense kala menjur ban om penthut ya kalit kawan juki pat ba mau syabun ula pentip ru bala betha ya ka deputy commissioner bari ka directorate of land records ban ne ya ka joint inspection hamadan ban pensyai ror ka jing ya kam kendo ula kular bahadian bala pendep ya ka jing pet nya bala bu iki kot kislah Ïingdorbar on sala ban penbet nyo ikani ka jing ka bala slembah ka sorkar kala pentikna bakan no mailat ya kanu kanu ka jing penthun ka bakta ya kalet kawan jugi pat ba lakmi lenti bara ka jing trailang hapring ka sorkar jala ki board defense bar ki board snong on sala ban penbet nyo ya kani ka mat ka bala ne islam kumta gadi kamat ka balawan ra hadu lai Sien da MLA Mawryngkneng kala yo ka jing kran ka bakham shai Ïingdorbar bar ki pat ba mau shubut kidang apkhmi lenti ya ka jing penbet ka bapura hagini ka sibanwan.
Mr. Speaker, sir, reply to state question 139. Sir, at present there is no obstruction for all types of road users. However, meetings in the level of Chief PWD roads and the GTC authorities have been held several times and the process of a permanent solution is being worked out, sir.
Your supplementary question. Yeah. Thank you, Honorable Speaker, sir. I also thank the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister in charge of roads for the reply. So this is the third time that I raised this issue in this August House in a successive session. So I want to, may I know from the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister on the newspaper report, which I have with me a copy, which appeared in the New Shillong or Shillong Times on the 4th of February 2026. In view of the newspaper report dated 4th February 2026, stating that the district estate officer, Kauti, has failed to prove the Army's ownership of the 600-meter stretch. Based on the RTI findings by one activist, may I know from Honorable Deputy Chief Minister whether the government is aware of the matter, what action has been taken thereon? So.
Yes, sir. I think this issue has been there for so many times, even inside this August House. And in the last session, even I have already replied it very, very clearly that this stretch of 600 meters or plus, it falls under the defense land. That is very clear because all the papers, all the documents has been checked. However, sir, relating to that press report, I am not aware about it. But let me just inform the House that solution is more or less reached to a final conclusion. Sir, yesterday, Honorable Chief Minister has called a meeting where the GOC of the army also attended. All the officers of the defense and also with the officials of the state government. And in the meeting we had yesterday, I'm happy to inform that the GOC and the Defense Authority has agreed not to disturb or not to create any stoppage of movement of traffic going or coming out of Mawryngkneng village. Sir, very soon we will be able to get the proceeding of the meeting that we had yesterday, and once the proceeding is signed, then necessary direction will be given to the district administration to make sure that the stoppage of traffic movement to or from Mawryngkneng village does not at all disturb.
So, thank you, sir. Do the government agree to concede this secret state that belong to the army without having the valid or legal documents?
Sir, as I've said, in fact, the land document is already there. However, yesterday again we have decided that resolving has to take place to make sure that everybody get the full clarity on the defense land or the civil land or whatever, and we have directed even the district administration along with the Directorate of Land Record and Survey to conduct the detailed survey, and thereafter we will see how this clarity is coming up, sir.
So, will you please, when you laid that documents in the table floor of the House, sir? You said that the army has got these land documents. You please lay it in the table floor of the House, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I can do that.
Sir, another question, sir. Sir, who was the authority to carry out the repairing and maintenance of the 6th road as of now, sir?
That portion, sir, it lies with the Defense Authority. And recently they have completed even the repairing and maintenance work.
Another one, sir. So last few days, last week, that when the PLD people wanted to start the bridge construction at Mawryngkneng, which connects Chenta and Papi Badi. So it was reported that the same armies came to obstruct. I mean, they even removed the signboard of the village. So what do you have, sir, to say on this, sir?
Sir, relating to that new bridge construction in that Mawryngkneng, we call it Mawryngkneng River. Sir, yes, we are aware about this issue because again, it happens that some portion of that land falls under the defense land. Again, yesterday we have decided that the district collector will again go on the ground. The joint inspection has to be conducted, and very soon this issue will also be taken up by the district administration along with the defense authorities.
So I just request the Honorable Teaching, sir, to look into the matter seriously, sir, and to do the needful at the earliest.
Yes, sir.
Barton, please. Sir, I would also like to supplement some questions. Sir, we had discussed this matter in this House. And as we know, there has been a regular incidents where there is a conflict between civilian and the armed forces everywhere. The reason is that most of these armed forces, their attitude, the way they conduct with the local people, as if all local people are aliens, you know, and that is the attitude which make the local people not to be able to get along with the armed forces. So last time after we discussed this same matter, I was approached, sir, by the local authorities, where they rejected completely the claim of the GTC that 600 stretch belongs to the defense land. So they also claim that they have documents to prove that it belongs to the village. So as we all know, sir, village has come out since time immemorial. They were existed much before the armed forces came to this place. And we know the land holding system, the traditional land holding system, where hardly we will have, people who are having proper documents, because most of the time our forefathers, they are giving, land right orally only. So they are taking advantage of that situation. So having listened to the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, sir, when he said that the solution is almost reached, but I would categorically make a mention in this August House, as far as the mind of the villages and the local authority is concerned, if the armed forces still claim that 600 belongs to them, the solution is nowhere near as far as this land is concerned. So I don't feel that it is right to listen to one party only. It would have been better if the government, together with the defense authority and the village, decide on that portion. So may I know whether the government has initiated any step to convene the village authority together with the defense in the presence of the government to decide and settle this matter once and for all, sir?
Yes, sir. In fact, this issue, as I've already replied, it's being taken up from time to time in the level of the district administration and also in the level of our chief engineer. Both sides, be it from the village authority as well as be it from the defense authority. Sir, I think just to mention here, since I've already replied also the supplementary question raised by the honorable mover of this question, that land document can be placed on the table of the House. I think we don't need to debate much. And I've replied that yes, this land document will be placed in the table of the House, and once the land document is placed, I'm very sure clarity will come out of it. And sir, as mentioned by the honourable member from Mawryngkneng constituency, by Aden Pasomoit, sir, as I've said, yes, meeting has been held, and we are going to again have a meeting. In fact, last year itself, I called a meeting even with the village authority. We have explained everything. I called myself personally. We had a meeting with all of them.